after studying the causes of free radicals, how these free radicals are uh, harmful to the body. These free radicals, because of having uh, one electron deficient, they want to capture electrons from other molecules, healthy molecules which are present in the body, like proteins. Proteins are carry out many functions in the body. So if these free radicals damage these proteins, damage the structure of these proteins, which may lead to the increased turnover, decreased enzyme activity, and membrane damage to the cells in the body, as a result of which cell injury may occur. If the free radicals damage or interact with these lipids, which may lead to the formation of lipid oxidation, as a result of which membrane damage and LDL damage, low density lipoprotein damage also occur, as a result of which atherosclerosis, which may be the risk factor. After uh, lipid oxidation may also lead to the formation of secondary products like aldehydes. If the free radical damages interacts with the DNA, it captures it takes electrons from the DNA, as a result of which the change in the structure of DNA occurs, which may result in mutation, which is also a risk factor for cell injury. Next, if the free radical interacts with the carbohydrates, the receptor alterations may occur, and also the uh, components in the synovial fluid also get damaged, as a result of which reduced viscosity between the bones occur, which may be the risk factor for the arthritis. So free radicals are going to damage all these healthy molecules, which may result in various diseases. First disease in that category is the Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is mainly caused because of the formation of tangles and plaques in the brain. Why? How these tangles and plaques are formed? There is a certain type of protein called taurin in the brain, which is produced taurin has many different functions. This taurin, if it gets damaged by the free radicals, the structure of the taurin protein gets distorted, as a result of which the all the taurin protein molecules get aggregated, which leads to the formation of plaques and tangles. This free radicals might be a risk factor for the cause of Alzheimer's disease. Next disease which may be caused by the free radicals is that ALS, which means amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis is the disease in which neurons that controls muscles are damaged. So neurons which are also cells, uh, similar to the other cells, but there are some minor differences. However, the metabolic processes are also occurring in the neurons. So free radicals damage these neurons, or the components in the neurons, which may lead to the formation, which may alter the function of the motor neurons, which is the risk factor for the amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, as a result of which the person may not have the control over his muscles. Next disease which may be caused by the free radicals is the arthritis. Arthritis uh, arthritis may be caused because of the degradation of cartilage between the bones, and also loss of the synovial fluid between the bones. Cartilage is made up of different components like chondrocytes, collagen fibers, and proteoglycan. Free radicals are found to react with these proteoglycan molecules, and leads to the formation of and leads to the degradation of cartilage, which might be the risk factor for the arthritis. Next disease which is thought to be caused by the free radicals is the cataract. Cataract is mainly caused because of the degradation of the lens proteins in the lens. Proteins in the lens carry out some functions. So when these free radicals attacks these lens proteins, which may lead to the dark spot formed, which might be a risk factor for the cataract. Next, next disease which is found to be caused by the free radicals is that cancer. Cancer is mainly caused because of the uh, one of the cause for the cancer is that mutation in the DNA. Mutation in the DNA might occur due to various reasons, but one of the reason is the free radical. Free radicals distort the structure of the DNA by capturing electrons, because by taking electrons from them. By because of the damaged DNA, these damaged DNA are actually repaired by the inbuilt repairing mechanism in the body. But if the repairing mechanism cannot cope up with the damage that is occurring to the DNA, this may result in DNA mutation, finally leading to the cancer. Next disease which is thought to be caused by free radicals is the chronic gout. Chronic gout means uric acid crystals are getting deposited between the joints of bones. Here you can see that uric acid crystals are getting deposited. Uric acid is actually the metabolized product of the nucleotides. When the uric acid is actually the excretory product. If the level of the uric acid is getting increased because of the free radicals, because of the if more cells are getting damaged, so more nucleotides are getting released. These more nucleotides are in turn getting converted into the uric acid. If the level of the uric acid in the blood is more, this may